Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn how to create a singleton pattern and what is the use of singleton pattern with the Volley. So if your application is continuously working with the network, then it is better to create an instance of request queue separately. Okay, so we have to create a separate Java class for the instance of our request queue. So first of all, we have to follow the following steps. Okay, so here I have a XAMPP server which I will use to fetch the string, and this is the root directory of XAMPP server, and I will use hello YouTubers of this file. That is my PHP file. Okay, so let's check it first, it is working or not. So type here localhost and the YouTubers. Yes, it is working. Okay, so now we can move to the Android Studio. You have to create a new project. I have already created that project. Okay, so first of all, after creating the project, you have to open the Android manifest file and add the user permission of accessing the internet. Okay, so close it and open your app gradle file, and here you have to add the following dependency of Volley library. Okay, after adding that, close it, and here we have the activity main.xml file. Here I have two variables, that is text view and a button. We are using text view because we want to display the data in the text view. Okay, when the user will click on the button, then a text view will be fetched from the server and will be displayed here. So first of all, we have to create a new Java class of name my singleton. Okay, so here we have the class. So we have to call it here. First of all, declare some variables. Static, public static my singleton and my instance, and public what we need here, request queue, after that public static contacts and it is my contacts. Okay, after that we have to create a method that is public return type request queue, and name it get request queue. So in that you have to take if request queue is equal to null, then you have to request queue is equal to new to Volley dot new request queue, and pass the context that we have used above, that is my context dot get application context. Okay, so now we have done, and we have to return type, that is return request queue. Okay, so here we have to add public my singleton. We have to take the constructor of our class and context, and here we have to use my context is equal to context. After that you have to use request queue equal to get request queue. Okay, so we have done with this. Now we have to move further and we have to add one more method, synchronize, and return type is my singleton, and that is get instant and pass context and context add if, and here we have to add instance is equal to null. Okay, so instance is equal to new my singleton and pass the context as the parameter here and return my instance. Okay, and terminate. One more method we have to add here, that is public static public void add to requests queue and the parameter request and okay, so here we have done. So now we have to add to the request queue dot add request. So this is our singleton pattern class. Okay, so now we have to attach this with our main activity. First of all, create declare the variables button. After that, text view is equal to text view, and string that we have to string of URL, it is my URL is equal to http my IP address 192.168.43.19163 and my file name, that is hello youtubers.php. Let me check if it is correct or not. That is hello youtubers. Yes, it is right. Now terminate it. Okay, so here we have to initialize these variables. Button is equal to button find by id r dot id dot button text view is equal to text view id dot text view. Now we have to implement set on click listener on our button. Set on click listener new view. Yes, no. So here we have to start string request is equal to new string request method dot post comma my URL new, and the parameter name is listener. After that you have to add one more parameter, it is new error listener. Okay, so terminate it. We have to start calling on our listener. This text view dot set text as the response, and here we have to add text view dot set text code, and return and add to the request queue. How we are now, here we have to add different way, that is my singleton dot get instance get application context dot add the request queue and pass the string request here. So we have done with the coding. So now move yes, it is working fine. Okay, so this is the simple implementation of singleton pattern that we used as an instance of the request queue separately. So if any doubt, you can question me in the comment box. I will give you the resolution of your question. Thank you, and subscribe this channel and share also. Thank you.